Hello, my fantasticos. I know you thought you could get rid of me, but you can't escape me. I'm everywhere, baby. So, I am ready to rock and roll, start off our new adventure together in this crazy time. But I thought I would start off with a tutorial on how to access Google Classroom. If you've never done it before, I just thought I'd show you quick how to get to it and access it because I think we're going to use it quite a bit. So, I thought I would show you something a little bit helpful. So, the first step you want to take is to open up your web browser. I use Chrome most of the time. This is Safari. Most browsers support Google Classroom. Go ahead and go to google.com, and then where it says Gmail, you're going to click on Gmail. You're going to sign in with the email that you are newly given for your Sacred Heart email. I am going to use my wife's email so I can show you the student side instead of the teacher side. So type in your email, hit next. Oh, if you do it wrong, try again. There we go. Enter your password. I won't tell you her. She might get a little mad at me. Hit next. I'm not going to save my password this time. Wait for it to load. And in your inbox, there should be an email that says Class Invitation, Mr. Allen 2020. Go ahead and click on that email. Scroll down where it says Join. Click Join. Should open up a new tab. Might take a little bit to load since so many people are on the internet right now. So wait patiently, and then you should be good to go in my Google Classroom. So most of the stuff that we'll focus on will be in this tab here where it says classwork. Assignments will be on here, resources for you to use, stuff like that. So this is the main tab that you're going to remember. And if you need to access Google Classroom in the future, again, go back to google.com, click on the waffle icon up here. I call it a waffle. I don't know what it's supposed to be called. But click on the waffle icon. For me, I scroll all the way down, and then I click on Classroom. So to get to it in the future, that is an easy step to take. It'll pop up with my name. Click on that, and you're back. So I hope that is helpful if you've never used Google Classroom before. I think we're going to be using it quite a bit. We'll see where the road takes us, but I look forward to working with you all again very, very soon. So hope you're having fun, but not too much fun being out of school. So I will talk to you very, very soon.